Imagine waking up one day and being told by the government, your town no longer exists. Homes, streets, memories, everything has become history. This is not a movie plot, it was real. This is the tragic story of Centralia, Pennsylvania, a town that was once alive and full of laughter and is now almost completely erased. In the mid-19th century, Centralia was a prosperous coal mining town. The anthracite coal from here powered America's industries. The town had bustling markets, schools, churches, and happy families. Around 2,000 people lived here. Everyone knew one another, like one big family. In May 1962, just before Memorial Day, the town's fire brigade set the landfill on fire during a cleanup, a common practice at the time. But they didn't know that directly beneath the landfill lay an old coal mine. The fire entered that mine, and from there began a terrible journey that would take more than 50 years to stop. At first, no one understood what was happening. But within a few months, smoke began to seep from the roads, the earth cracked open, and toxic gases drifted through the air. Temperatures rose so high that car tires melted. It was even possible to fry an egg on the ground. In 1979, a truck driver noticed the road beneath his truck suddenly settling while hot smoke rose from below. In 1981, 12-year-old Todd Domboski fell into a hole that opened in the ground while playing, a hole 4 feet across and went 50 feet deep. He survived, but the incident drew the attention of the entire nation. Tests showed the underground fire had grown so large that extinguishing it was nearly impossible. In 1984, the government announced a $42 million relocation program. Residents were told they could leave their homes and the government would compensate them. Many left, but some people refused to abandon the town. Those who stayed waged long legal battles against the government. In 2002, the Pennsylvania government revoked Centralia as postal zip code, effectively declaring that the town no longer existed in official records. In 2013, the last remaining residents were also forcibly removed. Today, Centralia shows only empty roads, ruined houses, and earth that emits smoke. The entire town has become a ghostly place where no one lives permanently. Still, the fire continues to burn. Scientists say it could keep burning for another 200 years. Centralia has become a symbol of human error and environmental neglect. It reminds us that sometimes the greatest dangers come from unseen places, and when nature asserts its power, people are often helpless. This is the story of the town the U.S. government erased, but human memory, history, and the lessons we learn never disappear.